Here you go, everyone. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and sit in the presence. Just want to thank you all for your willingness. Just pause in the moment. And now just imagine we're going to inhale through the nose. And as you relax, you're laying into the hand of God, the hand of the universe, relaxing your entire body, sitting in the presence of the Most High. Let's be still. As you inhale and exhale, feel that holy breath. Remember, the presence of God is breathing you right now. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Pushing your navel all the way back. It feels like you're pushing it back. Exhale. Natural inhale. As we sit in the presence of the Most High God, being present in the presence, we will ask these questions. What is the nature of? What is the nature of right timing? What does it feel like as my life? What is the nature of right timing? What does it feel like as my life? What is the nature of right timing? What does it feel like as my life? Ask yourself that question. I want you to imagine what your life would feel like if you were to trust and know that everything is unfolding in right timing, that you're taking right actions at the right time, that you're making right choices at the right time, that you're making right decisions at the right time, that this right timing, called forth by grace, this right timing is happening always in all ways in your life. What does it feel like? Smile on your face. You're always in right timing. Everything's always working out for your greater good. Yes, feel into that. Feel into that. Right timing. Yes. Yes. Now let's breathe into that. Inhale into the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Feel that breath. Feel that breath. Let's move with that. Knowing there's right timing unfolding. Yes. Let us ask the second question. What is the nature of right timing? What does it look like? What is the nature of right timing? What does it look like as my life? We're tapping into the third eye. We're tapping into the third eye using our imagination. What is the nature? What is the nature of right timing? What does it look like as my life? What is the nature of right timing? What does it look like as my life? We're seeing with the inner eye, seeing your life. What does your life look like, knowing it is in right timing, that everything is unfolding in right timing? What does it look like? Yes. How are you living your life, knowing that it's all in right timing? All judgments from the past, all criticisms of the future gone, because we know that everything is unfolding in right timing. Say yes to that. Nodding your head, yes. Everything is unfolding in right timing. See it with your inner eye, as Reverend Michael says. Yes, the inner eye. Yes, right timing is unfolding. See it. What does your life look like? Trusting and having faith. Everything is in right timing. Yes, yes, yes. Now let's breathe in and out on that. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Yes. Inhale through the nose. Inhale a little more. Now slowly exhale through the mouth. Yes, yes, yes. Now you can see it. You can see your life. Everything is in right timing. There's no age limit on you. Everything is in right timing. Now let's step into the next question. I want to know what you're talking about. What is the nature of right timing? What is the nature of right timing? What am I speaking about? What is the nature of right timing? What am I speaking about? What is my voice like? What is the nature of right timing? What am I speaking about? What is my voice like? I want you to feel into this right now as you see it. And what kind of words are you speaking with this right timing? What are you saying about yourself? I am in the right place at the right time. What are you saying about yourself? I am ageless. What are you saying about yourself? At this point in my life, I'm in the right time. I'm in the right place. What are you saying about yourself? What are you speaking? What kind of words are you speaking? You will say the right thing at the right time. Yes, yes, yes. Trust and believe. Trust and know, beloved, who and whose you are to speak the right word. And when you speak, it's from a high vibration of love. Whatever it is you have to say, you speak it from this high vibration of love in right time. Feel into that, see into that, speak into that. I speak in right time. Yes. Let's take some breaths on that. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Smile on your face. In through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Yes. Again, inhale through the nose. Breathe that breath. Exhale. Yes. Right timing is unfolding. You're seeing it. You're feeling it. You're seeing it. You're speaking it. Come on. Come on now. Let's know it. Let's know it. And so the next question, we're going into a fourth question tonight. What is the nature of right timing? What is the nature of right timing? What is the nature of right timing? What are my thoughts about it? What is the nature of right timing? What are my thoughts about it? What is the nature of right timing? What is my thoughts about it? What kind of thoughts are you thinking about right time? Oh, I got this in the right time. Oh, yes, yes. Everything will work out in the right time. Think it and feel it. Put the thought and the feeling together. Oh, yes, I know I have a lifeline. I do not say deadline. I say lifeline. I have a lifeline. Everything will show up in right time. Feel into that, beloveds. Feel into that right timing. It's unfolding. It's unfolding for you. Right timing. Feel it, see it, speak it, and know it. Know it. Trust in God. Trust in the Creator. Trust in right timing. Know all is well. Now let's breathe into that. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Smile on your face. Inhale through the nose. Hold that breath. And now slowly exhale. Yes. Trust in right timing. Trust and believe. Oh, yes. Feel it. See it. Speak it. Think it. See it. Feel it. Speak it. Think it. See it. Feel it. Speak it. Think it. Yes, yes, yes. Right timing is unfolding for you right now. This is why you're listening to this message right now. It is in right time. And so let's stand in gratitude together, grateful for this moment. Let's pause and breathe, natural breath. All is well, all is right, all is good in God. All is well, all is right, all is good in the Creator. All is well, all is right, all is good in our higher power. Yes, always, in right time. We are grateful. Grateful for this opportunity to deepen our faith, to deepen our knowing, to deepen our trust in the very presence of God. This is the moment. This is our time. Right here, right now, right time is unfolding. We claim it. We know it is real. We proclaim it. Right timing is on our side. And so how grateful I am for this moment to know that this is the right time. It is the right time, the right place, the right moment. All is well and right and good in God. And I release this word with ultimate gratitude and thankfulness for this right time, for this right timing, for this meditation. And for each and every one of you who is in the sound of my voice, within the sound of my voice right now, we are in right time together. In this, I am grateful. And I release this word with ultimate gratitude and thankfulness, and I let it be. It is done, it is done, it is done, and so it is, and so it must be, and so it shall be. Ashe. Hallelujah. Praise the Spirit. Aho. As you open your eyes, know that you open them in right time. And so it is. Yes, yes, yes. Whoo! Can you feel into that, everybody? Yes, yes, yes.